Yo guys, what is up? And today, basically, I'm gonna start a new series. Now, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I'm gonna basically start a FIFA 16 series, and it's gonna be called Road to the Perfect Skill Goal. So basically, in this series, what I'm gonna be trying to do is get a insane skill goal that's probably the best skill goal you've ever seen. But it's going to take a while to do, so there's going to be many different episodes. But let me know if you guys like it after you've seen it. So basically, let's get into it. So this is my skill team. So basically, we're going to jump into a match. I'm in Division 9. I just started this account. As you can see, 6, 2, and 6. But let's see if we can get a win. Alright, let's see his team. He's got Neymar too, but his is the 88, so mine's gonna run circles around him with our rainbow jerseys. Alright, here we go. Alright, I think that was a foul, ref. Jeez. Are you kidding me? Are you? What the crap? Oh, and that's not a foul? This kid's modding. Look, and he's using a lag switch. Are you kidding me? No. Good stuff, David. No. Yes. Oh, Neymar, you about got there. That's not what I meant to do. Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Yep, I forgot his keeper was on drugs. Yes, give me my foul. Yes. That's the first save my keepers had to make. Yes, David. Oh, unlucky lad. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Get this lag. Oh! Oh my gosh, go on. No, man. Yep, didn't think so. I'm buying Ter Stegen. What the crap kind of touch is that? Oh! No, no, no. Yep, didn't think so. His defender is right there to save his keeper. Finally! Jeez, that took forever. Thank goodness. That was a pretty decent skill goal too. Yes. Yes. Yes! He's done it, lads. He's absolutely done him. Yes! Oh, look at him. Top class. Absolutely beautiful finish. Oh, wow. Even the defender fell over his keeper. Great stuff, Bernard. I wish I knew how to do that move. It's not what I meant to do. Yes! Starting off the series with a win. Lovely. So yeah, guys, let me know if that was a good skill goal. Definitely not going to end the series on that. Just for this first episode, though, I'm going to keep it to one game just to see if you guys like it. And if you do, tell me in the comments down below, and I will definitely do more. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And